Hello, welcome back. Today I decided I'm going to give you a little bit of a garden tour because I've forgotten to document my garden as I've been growing it. So I'll give you a little bit here. So the first things that I have here are the zucchinis. I don't know if you can see those. Still not very good at this handheld thing. So I have 2 pots of those. It's a little bit bright today, but as you can see, I have the pool. I have all my flowers and trees, and I have a little birdie house. My bird feeder's up in the raised flower bed. It's probably going to be a mistake that I planted it there because they leave all these seeds everywhere underneath the bird feeder. Even though they make a mess, I really enjoy watching them eat from this bird feeder. It's just something that every morning when I do my coffee, I really enjoy. They are cute little devils, little finches, and they, in American Indian traditions, they were associated with celebration and joy. They're regarded as omens of good things to come. I like that, so I'm really enjoying them. And over here, I have my tomato plant right here. And we have, bush keeps getting me. So I have some yellow tomatoes, some regular tomatoes, and I also grew some strawberries, which are really fun. They're cute. So far they're little, but I can see everywhere there's a white flower, there's going to be another strawberry. I'm trying to show you this one right in here. So cute. And more flowers and more strawberries to come. I have a cucumber here and a zucchini here, and I also planted a beautiful Banks rose. And the Banks rose, I plan to have it grow all the way up the fence and over the fence. The Banks rose is yellow, and I'm hoping that it'll do well in the pot here in the Central Valley. I didn't leave enough room for myself to plant more things around the yard, so container gardening it is. And here you can see some of the little cucumbers starting to grow. They're so cute, and all the flowers, they're going to be cucumbers. And then over here, I also have in the corner of my neighbor's house, I decided to plant a trumpet vine. So, and I have strawberries also. And there's Misha. I don't know if you can see Misha. Hey, Mishka. Come here, baby. What are you doing, Mish? What's going on? Mishka, sit. Misha. I don't know if you can see Misha. Can you see Misha? Good girl. How you doing? Good girl. So let me take you onward for the garden tour and the pool equipment. I have to figure out a way to cover it. And then over here, I have my first garden, and it has zucchini, beans. I've never ever been able to grow beans. And then I have the crookneck zucchini, as well as some cucumbers, and then I have watermelon on the end, and I'm going to try to grow the watermelon vertically. We'll see how that goes. And then let's see here, what else do I have? Over in this bed, I have some purple tomatoes, and I'm not sure if any are in there yet. I'll have to check. Some herbs, and some basil and peppers, And then one of my crookneck zucchinis really took off. I mean, it just went crazy. So I usually don't garden during the middle of the day because I'm highly allergic to bees. So with that, I try to do it in the evenings or the late afternoon once the sun is almost going down. So that's my garden tour. And if you have any questions, leave me them in the links below. And oh, I also have this wonderful dog security fence. I don't know if you can see this. This is just so that the beasts don't get into my garden, because Misha used to like to chew up tomatoes. And so it took me a long time to figure it out that all my tomatoes would have like 4 puncture wounds. And I was like, what's happening to my tomatoes? And it turned out that, you know, she was tasting them. She's trying to see if they were good to eat yet. So now that I know Misha likes tomatoes as much as I do, I'm always sure to take the tomatoes and harvest them or protect them so she doesn't eat them all. Be sure, if you like my goofy videos and stuff and seeing what I'm doing in my life, to like and subscribe, to follow along. I'm just learning how to do a lot of this editing and stuff. So thank you for your patience, and I hope you enjoyed the garden tour. All right, I will talk to you later. See ya.